Here I have HUAWEI Nova Y70, and today I'm going to show you how to scan QR codes on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then when you just like in a normal photo mode, you have to tap on this icon here in the corner, then tap next, agree, allow while in use, yes, please let me start. Then you switch to this QR code scanner feature. Let's scan, for example, this QR code. As you can see, like, I don't know what's the problem. Oh, now it works. I just had to reload it. So as you can see, as soon as camera spots this QR code, it instantly opens the page which is being encoded to this QR code, and like here you can see what's in here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.